Hey guys, I'm Cajty and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be driving this brand new BMW i7. Let's go! Alright guys, so let's drive the brand new i7. We press start over here. The car starts automatically. Right, let's press the gear selector for drive and off we go. Wow, this is something superb. I have to say the driver is really isolated from the outside. You hardly feel or hear any noises from the outside. Well, the seats are really comfortable. The steering is light and the suspension is just insane. I would say the suspension on this car is just from another planet, I would say. Very comfortable drive, very comfortable, very pleasant. I mean, if you take some potholes, you hardly feel anything. Of course, this car has a air suspension. Let's try and test the self-driving feature. Let's set it to 50. And yeah, the car is driving by itself. Right now I'm not holding the steering wheel or touching the pedals, which is awesome. Right now it's flashing, so letting me know that I should take hold of the steering wheel. We have a roundabout over here. Let's try the acceleration. Oh yes, oh yes, 400 kilowatts of power. That's a lot, that's a lot. Whew, electric acceleration is just insane. You get so pushed to the seat that it's really hard, really hard. Over here we have some potholes. Let's try to drive through them, but like the suspension and the air suspension is handling it so well that you just hardly feel anything. This is the ultimate sedan, and in the back seat you have a lot of space, You also can fold down the passenger front seat, so the back passenger can lay down. This car is also equipped with the fold down theater screen, which I'll show you in a minute. Well, this selector for the infotainment is pretty luxurious looking. I have to say, it is very pleasant to drive this car. This car also has the rear axis steering, so when you are going slow on a parking lot, the wheels turn into the opposite direction, and vice versa when you are going on a highway and in a big speed. Your top speed is very high at the moment, the wheels turn in the same direction for stability. This is how you open the glove box, by the way, with a push of a button. Of course, you have all the luxurious features like window blinds, massaging seats, heated steering wheel, ventilated seats. This is how you position the climate control vent, and this is how you change the volume of air. Okay, I'm gonna try and use the reversing assistant, which is a feature right here in the infotainment screen. I'm gonna press reverse and then start the assistant. Right now I'm not doing anything. The car is reversing the same way as I did. Wow, that's a strange feeling. I'm not doing anything, I'm just modulating the speed with foot on the brake. You can see the exact way and path which the car is taking. Wow, this is awesome. This is really awesome. Alright, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna go into drive and go front, and I'm gonna try that again with some different route. Wow. Let's try that now. Wow. You can see in the camera the path. Wow. Right now it stopped up by itself. Well guys, I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this little point of view drive of this limousine i7 2022 model year. I have to say this car impresses me on every level. You have the theater screen in the back, really comfortable, really fast. It has 400 kilowatts. You can go on a single charge, basically 500 kilometers, which is impressive for a fully electric car. Hope you enjoyed this video, and take care, and hope to see you next time. Peace.